All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I got the Caudabe Crystal Shield Elite AR screen protector here for my iPhone 17 Pro. Now Caudabe was kind enough to send this out for review, so if you're interested in buying this, I'll link it down in the description. Now this online is around 35 bucks, so not too bad. It's about in line with the higher end screen protectors. With the Elite AR, what it is, the AR stands for anti-reflective. So there's an anti-reflective coating on this particular screen protector, and it significantly reduces the glare. And the way they explain it is it enables improved screen clarity, readability, all that good stuff. So, so anything that's anti-reflective, I'm all about. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out and let's show you what we get with it. But if you see here, you can see that it does say for the 17 Pro and it's the Elite AR. So let's go ahead and slide this open. Get this box out of here. Just got to pop that bottom there. Slide all this out. All right, so we got the screen protector itself here in this installation kit, which we'll mess with here in just a second. And then we also have the Relax You're Covered, talking about their 2-year warranty. So we get a cleaning kit here. So it says tempered glass screen protector kit. So it includes, I'm sure a wet wipe, a dry wipe, all that good stuff. Minimalist Perfection little thing there. And then it looks like that we do get, so a dust removal sticker and an installation guide here on the back, which basically is just explaining. It says number 1, clean the screen, dry thoroughly, use the dust removal sticker, blah, blah, blah. Insert your phone's screen side down into the tray and then flip the tray over, and rest is history. So we'll put it to the side for reference if I need it, but I think once you've done one, you've done them all. So let's start cleaning. And we'll use the provided cloth and dry it. Okay, so in my experience, after using the microfiber cloth, I definitely do want to use the dust removal sticker. So I'm just going to peel this back and literally do what it says. But I want to do it this way because I'm always a big fan of just kind of, pulling it to the side like this. All right, so that should do the trick. So now we're going to install it. So this is top. So we're gonna just stick the phone in there, flip it over, pull the tab, and then we're gonna slide our finger down to let it do its thing. All right, so let's remove the tray. Yeah, we definitely have some air bubbles going on here, so if you can see there. So let me get a card, let me kind of get these out, and we'll be right back. Okay, so got the screen protector fully installed. Air bubbles are super easy to get out, so it wasn't a big deal. But turn the phone on so that way we can kind of see everything once we get this going. But first impressions, it feels good. I've always liked the Crystal Shield screen protectors. I prefer it over the ceramic shield on iPhones. I don't know. I feel like the ceramic shield feels a little different, and the Crystal Shield feels just fine. Now with the anti-reflectiveness of it, I mean, that's really facing right on to my light there, and it's really not that bad. Definitely does help with that anti-reflectiveness. So that's a big plus. Just to kind of play around with the screen, feels very responsive, so no complaints in that department there. So that's a very good thing. And the colors look very vibrant as well. They don't look washed out or anything like that. I think they look really good. And another thing that's really nice is this is a anti-fingerprint type of screen. So, I mean, I'm touching my fingerprint all over it, and I'll turn the screen off, and I don't see any fingerprints at all after I did that. And usually it's Smudge City on the iPhone when I don't have a screen protector. So knowing that the fingerprints aren't going to be an issue is a huge thing. And it is tempered glass friendly as well. So I'm going to slap it on this Paragon Precise case that I have. And as you can see, got that installed. and it is completely tempered glass friendly with the Crystal Sheild Elite AR as well. So there we go, guys. So case friendly, feels good in the hand, nice and smooth. Anti-reflectiveness is awesome, so it's going to help with clarity and all that when it's super bright outside. So that's just a huge win in my opinion. But yeah, there we go. There is the Crystal Sheild Elite AR. I'll have it down in the description. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.